A guide on making vinegar cleaning solutions at home. Anyone who feels passionate about green cleaning would agree that white distilled vinegar is one of the most effective eco-friendly cleaning ingredients, with numerous applications around the house. From killing germs in the bathroom to eliminating carpet stains, white vinegar helps you to deal with many cleaning jobs healthily. Check on these amazing cleaning solutions based on white vinegar and try them at home for naturally cleaned surfaces. Number 1. Mix vinegar and water. Take an empty spray bottle and fill it with equal amounts of white distilled vinegar and water. Shake the bottle to mix the ingredients. That's all, your eco-friendly multipurpose cleaning solution is ready. Spray the cleaner on the bathroom tiles to get rid of soap scum. Banish hard water stains with your mixture, or use it to remove germs in the toilet bowl. You can take advantage of this vinegar cleaner in the kitchen to tackle greasy stains on the countertop or refresh the stovetop. Number 2. Try undiluted vinegar. Hard water deposits, as well as soap scum, could be difficult to remove, especially when it comes to old stains. If you are faced with this problem, just use white vinegar poured into a spray bottle without mixing it with water. Spray the affected surfaces and let the vinegar sit for at least 10 minutes. Then scrub with a stiff brush and rinse thoroughly with water. Try this eco-friendly cleaning hack to eliminate soap scum from the shower door and walls. If necessary, repeat several times until deposits vanish completely. Number 3. Upgrade with lemon juice. Another effective eco-friendly cleaning ingredient is lemon juice, and you can add it to your 50/50 white vinegar and water solution to make it even more powerful. Mix 2 cups of water with 1 part white vinegar and 1 part lemon juice in a spray bottle. Apply this homemade cleaning remedy in the kitchen or in the bathroom to get rid of dangerous germs and bacteria. Number 4. Use for carpet cleaning. Carpeted floors are extremely prone to staining. That's why you need a reliable cleaning solution to keep the carpets in outstanding condition. In a spray bottle, mix equal parts of water and white vinegar, but this time add a tablespoon of liquid dish soap. Spray the mixture on the stained area of the carpet and allow it to sit for a few minutes. After that, you should gently blot the residue with a sponge and let the carpet dry completely. Number 5. Clean the microwave. Greasy food stains in the microwave or food leaks in the oven can be green cleaned with a mixture of equal proportions of white vinegar and water. Pour both ingredients into an appropriate bowl and place it in the oven or the microwave. Both appliances will get squeaky clean once the mixture starts to boil. Allow vinegar steam to loosen up tough stains and wipe clean with a clean damp towel. White vinegar will take care of not just stains in the appliances, but unpleasant odors will be eliminated too. Number 6. Unclog the drain. To unclog the drain naturally, you can benefit from 2 of the most notorious ingredients used for green cleaning: white vinegar and baking soda. Start by pouring half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by the same amount of white vinegar. The fizzing you will notice shouldn't bother you, as this is a normal reaction to mixing these 2 ingredients. Once the fizzing stops, pour hot water down the drain, or let the hot water from the faucet run for a minute or 2. The combination of baking soda and white vinegar will banish the clog, together with unwanted smells and germs. Cleaning with white vinegar is an essential part of the green cleaning concept. Make the most of these recipes for a sparkly clean home, free from toxic cleaning products. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.